guys, it's me. So today we came to Tornado Crepe to try their crepes. So let's go. Can I get with chocolate ice cream? And that's it.
All right. Cash card?
Card, please. Now they're making the crepe. They're adding olive oil to the crepe so it can be good and not stick to the pan. I really like their technique because you're making the batter is spread out very evenly and it looks very good. Look at the color of the crepe. It is so beautiful. Yeah, the crepe is still getting ready. The fact that I don't like is that the crepe is not on the pan. Like if you see like the crepe is not on the pan, I don't really like that because like it's like touching the table and we don't know if the table is dirty or not. But also they're wearing gloves and that's actually very good. Now he just put down the crepe. He's adding the bananas. He's evenly spreading out the bananas. And this is actually a very good technique. Their sanitation grade is grade A. So it's very clean. Now he's adding the chocolate syrup. I really like how he has like a little bottle the chocolate syrup. Now he's crushing the Oreo. This is an Oreo obsession. We crushed Oreos, marshmallow, chocolate syrup, and banana. So yeah. Now let's wait until the Oreos get crushed and put on the crepe. Now he's hand crushing the Oreos. I love how he's folding it. It's so like the crepe it broke. I don't like that. But the crepe it broke, so yeah. Now he's getting the chocolate ice cream that comes with it. Here's the Oreos. Now he's over there getting the chocolate, the ice cream. Ice cream. Now it looks like that. Chocolate to it. Some marshmallows, some more Oreos, and some more chocolate syrup. And some whipped cream, of course, to top it all off. This is a lot of chocolate.
You want to put it in the bag?
No thank you. So now guys, this is the final result. It looks so beautiful, but I think it's gonna be a lot of chocolate. So now we're gonna open up the knife in the fork so we can cut up this beautiful crepe. Spoon. And cut it out. The crepe, it's falling. Yeah, now we're gonna need a little smaller piece. And then cut the crepe open. It's actually a very good crepe. The banana gives it a very good taste. I rate this in 9 out of 10. I definitely could rate this at home, but it's my home touch. Love you guys. Bye. Guys, this is a disclaimer. I will explain why I talk so low. Because this place was a very small place. There were a lot of people there wearing a lot of tables, so I couldn't talk that loud. So that's why the camera was very close to my face. I want you guys to know this. Like, Sophia, why are you talking so low? You usually talk so loud. I just want you guys to know. Love you guys. Bye.